we are back from the conservancy. It is after nap time. Nap time went really terrible today because we got back like 30 minutes later than Oliver's nap would typically start, which I thought was gonna be okay, but it wasn't. He had he had a total meltdown the whole time I was trying to put him to sleep, and it took like over an hour. So safe to say I will not be going out anywhere too close to his nap time again. He chose a fruit popsicle for his afternoon snack, so I'm sure he's gonna be starving in like 10 minutes because it's no sugar. It's literally just fruit. So this location looks a little different than where I'm normally filming. It's because I moved my couch over into the sunroom area, if you can call this a sunroom. So directly in front of me is all of my mom's storage, so I am not going to be showing that. But we both decided like we needed our separate space, so we moved the couch over here. I'm going to do about Oliver's like little work shelf because it does not fit in here, and I like really downsized his stuff, so we'll see how this goes. But also there is no TV in this room. I am not going to be putting one. We'll see how that goes as well. I'm trying to really limit the TV at this point. But anyway, this is not like a long-term thing. This is just like a for now thing. And this is why I never film inside the house. Your popsicle's on my arm. It's so cold. Because every time I pick up the camera, this happens. I don't know what this is. It's new, but it's so weird. Bear is really enjoying the new spot. What is that?
Juice.
Juice popsicle? Oh, Tumble just jumped up here. He's gonna go up there and lay with Bear. They're so cute. Did you have fun at the Conservancy? Yeah. What did you see?
Zoo.
Well, it was kind of like a zoo, but it was called a Conservancy. What did you see?
Turtle.
You saw turtles? Did you see snakes?
And fish.
And fish. They had a lot of cool stuff. We're gonna actually go next Thursday again because they have this little class. It's called Little Explorers, and it's every Thursday morning for members. And we are members now. It was only $100 for the whole year for a family membership, so I figured, you know, it was worth it since it's like $30-something per visit. So we are gonna go back next Thursday, and we're gonna do another class and explore some more. I don't think we're doing anything the rest of the day. Probably just some gardening outside and just some like laundry, small things like that. So we will see you guys next week, and I hope you enjoyed our vlog and our adventures.
Bye.